Guys, so I have something exciting for you guys today. We're going to go ahead and unbox the Vincent Cosmetics from VP Hills is the owner, and we're going to have a lot of fun, and we're going to go ahead and unbox that right meow. So if you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. A lady got a hold of me, and she's the owner of Vincent Cosmetics, and her name that she goes by is VP Hills, and this is what came in the mail today. So yes, it's a cute little packaging. I love the little army dealie on there, and I think it's cute. So she asked me if I wanted to do a review on some lashes and stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this and we're gonna see what we got in here. But I love the packaging. Thank you so much, VP Hills. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and follow them on Instagram as Vincent Cosmetics, and tell them I sent ya. Let's go ahead, grab the pair of scissors or skizzers, and we're gonna go ahead and open this. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Oh my gosh! Ooh, what do we have here? I see on the back right here it says Tiger Eyes. Oh my gosh, it's so adorbs, you guys. Look at the bag. Look. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the packaging right here. This is Tiger's Eyes. Make sure when you get a pair of lashes from any brand or anything like that, make sure that you cut them out to your liking, where your eyelashes start from the inner corner to the outer corner. And it does come with a little spoolie. I think it's so adorable. Thank you so much, VP Hills. Oh, look at that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, and then I'm gonna put the lashes on and see how it turns out, you guys. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and I cut my lashes to its length, and so we're gonna go ahead and put some lash glue on here. So the lash glue that I use is a Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and it's the tone of black. Now the band on this is a little thin, but I don't know how many uses that this is going to last. I like to usually, I was going to put glue on these before. I was going to let them sit, but when you turn them over, it's going to stick to the table, and I didn't want it to do that, so this time I'm going to go ahead and press this with my fingers instead of using tweezers, because I just feel like I find it better that if I do that, it'll stick nice. I hope I have it on, because I can't tell yet, because I have this mirror here right in front of me, and it's a little mirror. Ooh, honey, these are extra. Come on, come on. Hello. Let's go ahead and press these nice and crispy like with my finger. Oh, that's why. Oh no. Hold on a second, I'm having issue. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take a closer look. You guys are going to look a little closer to my face, so enjoy all the pores and whatnot. I've had my makeup on since this morning actually, so let's do it. Alright guys, so there we go. I have the Tiger Eyes eyelashes on. I don't know what you guys think. So if I look down, what does it look like? I really didn't check. I will look after I edit this video and such, but yeah, we'll see. Well, okay, so my opinion on this, my honest opinion, these are really extra, and to be honest, the top of these lashes are literally touching my skin. Like, it's almost covering my whole eyebrows. Like, I really wouldn't be able to tell. I really wouldn't be able to tell what makeup I have on. Like, that's really, really extra. I mean, these are really nice. I mean, they are. but probably not for like a, if you really wanted to be extra extra, I would prefer to wear this like on an occasion where you're having like a party where everybody's like jamming and whatnot. I mean, if you guys are like going crazy and having a wild party and such, I would definitely do this, but not for an everyday look. I'm gonna go ahead and take one off, and I will show you guys the ones that I was wearing before. Okay guys, so like this one right here, these are the Breslay Co lashes that I have on right now, and you can tell what kind of makeup I have, and it's not like covering my whole eyes from like here to here, as these, I do have the issue of it touching my eyebrow, like so yeah. Let's go ahead and go to the full screen. All right guys, I'm back. So here we are with the lashes. I like them. I don't love them. I like them, and only wear these on like special occasions like clubbing occasions, barely to those occasions if I'm feeling a little frisky and whatnot. Thank you so much, VP Hills, for letting me try out these lashes, and this was my honest review, my honest opinion, and I think that's about it, you guys. We went ahead and tried out the Vincent Cosmetics. They do have a whole bunch of lashes on there. I could probably find me some good ones that aren't that long. So Vincent Cosmetics does have more lashes on their website. If you go to vincentcosmetics.shopify.com and go ahead and follow them on Instagram. And so some of the lashes that they do have runs about $10.50, and some of them run about $13.50. So the ones that I just tried on is $13.50, and I mean, they're good. I like it. I don't love them, but I like it. So anyways, all right guys, I think that is it for the day, and I do have a little tiny haul that I did go to Walmart, and I went ahead and I purchased some items, so that's going to be in the next video. I will see you guys another time, and make sure you let me know down in the comments below if you have purchased any Vincent Cosmetics lashes or anything from them, and just let me know down in the comments below on how you feel about it or whatever. And if you've never heard of the brand, make sure you go ahead and check them out and see, maybe there's something that you guys might like. Okay, but I will see you guys another time. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed. It's a reminder just to make sure, because some people tend to forget after they finish watching a video. They're like, and then they see another video and they're like da 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 da. So anyways, I love you guys. See you guys another time. Love you. Bye bye.